Stay informed with Infoline 11, your trusted source for news and insights. Hello and welcome to my vlog on the secret to becoming rich. I know that this is a topic that many people are interested in, and for good reason. Who wouldn't want to have financial security and the ability to enjoy life without worrying about money? While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to becoming rich, there are certain principles and habits that can increase your chances of achieving financial success. In this vlog, I will be discussing some of these key strategies. 1. Develop a money mindset. The first step to becoming rich is to develop a positive money mindset. This means changing your attitude towards money and understanding that it is a tool that can help you achieve your goals. Start by setting financial goals for yourself, such as saving a certain amount of money each month or investing in stocks. Visualize yourself achieving these goals and focus on the positive outcomes that come with financial success. 2. Live below your means. Living below your means is one of the most important habits you can develop if you want to become rich. This means spending less money than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Instead of splurging on the latest gadgets or fashion trends, focus on the things that really matter to you and invest your money wisely. This could include things like paying off debt, investing in a retirement account, or saving for a down payment on a home. 3. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is another important strategy for becoming rich. This means taking the time to learn new skills, improve your education, and develop your talents. Whether you take a course online, attend a seminar, or read books on personal development, investing in yourself can help you become more valuable in the job market and increase your earning potential. 4. Start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle is another great way to increase your income and build wealth. Whether you start a small business, sell products online, or offer freelance services, a side hustle can provide an additional source of income that can help you reach your financial goals faster. 5. Seek out mentorship. Finally, seek out mentorship from people who have achieved financial success. This could be a successful business owner, an investor, or a financial advisor. By learning from their experiences and gaining insight into their strategies, you can develop a plan for achieving your own financial goals. In conclusion, becoming rich is not an overnight process, but rather a result of consistent effort and smart financial decisions. By developing a positive money mindset, living below your means, investing in yourself, starting a side hustle, and seeking out mentorship, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success. Remember, the journey to becoming rich is not just about the destination, but also about the skills and habits you develop along the way. Thank you for tuning into my vlog on the secret to becoming rich, and I wish you all the best in your financial journey. Please share and subscribe Infoline 11 channel.